How to reinstall graphics driver or display driver on Windows. Hi everyone, this is Kate and welcome back to another video, and on today's video we will see how to reinstall graphics driver on Windows or device driver on Windows. So without any further delay, let's get started. So first of all, open up Device Manager. So click on the search icon, search for Device Manager and open it up in your Windows. After you open it up, navigate to display adapter and then expand it. So under display adapter, choose your graphics driver or select your graphics driver. Right click on it, then click on update driver. Select the second option and then again click on let me pick from a list of available drivers on my computer. So for each one here, you have to select this and then click on next to reinstall it again. So first one, do for the first one, then select the second one, again click on next, install it. Once you're done, go to the third one and again click on next. So do that for each one of this. Once you're done, your drivers are now reinstalled in your Windows. And that's all for this video. Hope this video helped you. If you're new to our channel, consider subscribing. Thank you for watching and stay tuned for more tutorials.